write down some points. This is Adobe Spark window where you can create your projects. Now, what kind of projects we can start? We can have different kind of projects. It can be a collage, it can be web page, it can be a slideshow, presentation, program post, portfolio, branding, and custom size. So you can create anything with this. So you are open to create anything you want to have on the given topic. Now, next thing is you can collaborate. You can collaborate with others. So it means you can create a collaborative project where you can connect with your friends. So nowadays, when you are going remote, you are studying online at your place, you are not going to any other's place, you can just ask your friend and create a combined project also. So let's start with one simple project. Create a project. Now I am giving you demonstration of web page first. Now this will open, and this is a very wonderful feature. Web page is a kind of, you can say, a newsletter kind. Say I am creating here a project on happy holidays. So title is have a splendid time ahead. So I have created a title. Now see, where I can add some more tools to it. What I can add? I can add photograph, I can add text to it, I can add buttons, I can add a video, I can add a photo grid, slideshow and glide show. This is a glide show. How this looks like, I'll give you an example of it. Split layout. Now let's say one by one we can see to it from here. First, see from here what we can do. Go to this first sign and you can add more people to it. For example, I am adding, when I click here, I am getting so many IDs to which I can get connected. I am adding my ID here. Demonstration, I am adding my ID here, and I am, in this way you can connect with other friends to collaborate upon the same project. Is it fine? Next is settings. Before going to other concept, I am telling you the previous settings. This is a preview button, how your document will look like, and this is a way you present your work, right? And here you can publish and share the link with others, and print option is used to print the this what you are creating, a web page. So these 3 points are publish and share link. When you click here, once you have done with all the work, you publish and then you share the link. So people will see with your shared link. So here is the title of my newsletter, title of my web page. From here I can create this one. What type of category? This is events. Who is the author? You can write here, and author name is visible in the newsletter. If you want to give photo credit to someone, so I suggest you make a like group of 3 to 4 friends. One can submit the photographs, one can work on content, one can work on the layout. So you can mention all credits here, right? And your project may be featured on the Adobe Spark website. So if you are creating a link and you want to get featured, like you can create any photography Spark. So you are open to create your web page on anything, right? So once you create a link, it will create your link which can be shared through Twitter, through Facebook, Google Classroom, or you can embed in your blog. So this was all about to publishing and sharing. Now I am coming to the how we can create more sparks. And now this web page is a combination of all, which you can create separately first. So I have just shown you the part. 1 second. I have told you can create all these things. So I am coming back to the small one things. If you go to collage, you can create your own collage with uploaded photos. You can create collage with the given photos, right? So in this way you can create your collage. When you come here, create a project, you can create a flyer which can be saved and used in the web page, right? I have say I want to include this. It will create a template, and you can change your text as you wish. So this is a template, and you can always make changes to it. So if you come here, this is the text part which you can change. Here you can write what you want. Enjoy your holidays. At home. So in this way you can change. You can change your photographs also, right? So whatever is your topic, you can create more thumbnails. So you can save this. Again, you can always share, you can always collaborate. Here some of the other layouts which you can create your own picture format. See, in this way you can use your work. So here is the shared link. Or you can download this. Simply you can download and you can upload there. If I download this JPG or PNG file, my post, save. Now if I go back to home and create some more content, like I have told you one step creating a flyer. Next is you can create a branded graphic. Suppose you are creating a spark. Now I am not binding you to a particular topic. Now it's up to you. You can start with your some project. It can be artificial intelligence, it can be astronomy, it can be interior designing, it can be redecor, anything. It's up to you what passion you want to explore here. It's up to you. So you are open to do anything. So you can create some logos, it's already there. So you can select any brand logo, you can create your own logo, you can upload here, and you can start with the branding, right? So
मेरे को लोगो क्रिएशन की स्टार्टिंग के स्टेप्स बता दो.
Okay. Now what can you do? Upload your logo. Right now I don't have any image, but I'll check. Wait. For example, I have created this logo, right? So I can pick different color. I can take font.
कोई सेलेक्ट इमेज डालनी पड़ेगी, हमें इसमें इनबिल्ट नहीं मिलेंगे।
नहीं, so you have to find out. So now it is creating a logo. So now if you see, you have all your own logo created. So in this way you can create. Now I am telling you the third thing is video. Now see how we can create a small video, right? So I'll show you a small video. So creating a video. So for example, we are creating a video on riddles. I have given the title. Now I can take any template or I can start my story from a scratch. Now these templates you can create, like if you want to create your own story, so you can make up your own. You want to create any invite, you can pick this one and say, I'll show you this example. If you take this such kind of templates, how it works. So like so this is like a tool about the organizer. It will tell you about the organizer, then you can put the event. So in case if you are taking any template, it is telling you the way only, and at the last your brand logo will automatically comes. The next point is to creating this video at your own. So I am creating riddles are good. So this is a small demonstration to create a riddle. You can create start from scratch. So if you are creating any logo, first you plan what you are going to do. I have created a random logo. You can create logo for your own brand, own story, and it will come automatically at the end of your every product you are doing. So when we are ready with this, these are the 4 options we can use. So like my first option is here, full screen. In the full screen, I want to have a video or I want to have any photo. So I'll take photograph. Here are the options that you can find out from free photos. Here, if I want to say I want to have photos on riddles, so I can take any photograph from here and I can include, right? If you see here, MAMS stamp is already. If you want to show stamp, if you don't want to show stamp, you can put the stamp off, right? So it's up to you. Next is I want to add text here. Lovers. Stop here. So if you want to increase the font size, you can always increase. This is about your text. Now next slide comes. So if you want to reorder, you can always reorder the slides. Now next part comes, you have 2 parts. One where you can add text, you can add icon, right? You can add any icon here, you can add any photograph here. So if you want to add your that question riddle photo, you can upload also. Upload photo, and we have some downloaded photos with us. Riddle 1. It will be uploaded here, and you can resize. This is font. You can adjust your font here. Here you can put image or you can put your answer. You can say answer. Answer it. Or you can have any other photograph. In this way you can add your more photos to it. Here you can add credits. You can add your own credits. You can give credits to your teacher, your school, your friends. Here you can write name of the team and so on. Now things comes if you want to add your voice to it. From here you can set the duration for how long you want. From here again the duration, if you want to keep it for this. In the next slide you can put answer of it. So you can press on plus sign, it will add more slides. If you have its answer, you can put your answer here. So after this they will wait and the answer will come. At the last your logo will appear and here you can write your website address. You visit our site. Here I am writing school Agrasen school.com. Here we can write our own blog on site, that is subject. Now in this way you can keep on adding the slides. Now how a video will appear. If you want to record your voice, you can always have this. Here you can record your voice. It will be added. Once you start and press and hold. Now whatever you will speak, it will record it here. Riddle lovers, stop here. So when I press now, I'll show you, it will record your voice. I'll share the system audio, then you will be able to
stop here.
Give the answer in 10 seconds. What's bright orange with green on top and sounds like a parrot? Try it.
Give the answer in 10 seconds. What's bright orange with green on top and sounds like a parrot?
So if you see this, you can record your voice one by one to each slide and it will work. But it's a suggestion, keep a few seconds pause before and after your voice, because when you start it together.
Now whatever you will speak, it will record it here. Riddle lovers, stop here. Give the answer in 10 seconds. What's bright orange with green on top and sounds like a parrot? Try.
So after that you can download this video, you can share. So this is wonderful and very easy feature to create your videos. Here you can use title and text both. You can use caption here, like you are putting any image, you can put caption. You can split screen in two parts and you can have always a full screen. So this was all about the video creation. Next is here the layout, theme, resize. You can change music from here. From here you can change the music and you can add your own music.
Now
in this way you can create your videos, right? Now I am coming back to your web page we have created, and whatever you are creating, it is coming in your work. And this is a post. I have done some work previously on this project, on this path. So this is very, very wonderful and interesting. feature in which you can create your projects. So now I have video to add. Here you can add your this embedded video and you can save it. Now I have to go back to the page again and just save the things. Just to have that video link again, if I click here, one second, I'll click and I'll open new window so that I can move to my different windows. Open in new tab. And I am opening here my video. So when I click on share and say publish, riddles solved. Here you can give any subtitle, pick a category. This category say education, create a link. So now it is creating a link. Right, so this is embed link. I have taken this. I am coming back to my video. Okay, this is video. I have to I'll come to the newsletter. Happy always. Beta mic, mute your mic please. So if I come here and I'll just put this embedded video and save. Copy. Just save. So now if you see, I have copied the link. It is taking video from there and it is here now. So if you see, you can add photograph here. It will find out the holidays. You can add photograph always. So if you preview it, you can set the focal point of your photograph. You can set any image as your focal point and just save. Now if you see, this is your video. Now you can add more elements to it. Photos. Glide show is like, if you have seen in small apps, if you scroll the text is scrolled but background image remains still. So glide show means a big picture comes and on that text can go and come and go back. So I'll tell you the glide show example. You can add some photographs. I have added this photograph. Now what I'll do, I can edit glide show. So we can add more photographs to it. As many photos you want to have. And it can be on text. Here you can add your text. The relaxing music. You can add more photos to it. You can add video links to it. Now it's up to you, it's up to your creativity. So it's like this. Right? Now if I present this, so it will look like this. And when you scroll it, it is coming out in this way. This is glide show. Background image will remain still. More images will come. And this is at last, you can post the credits. And you can go back and find out. Students have already created these projects. So in a video you can post everything. So my suggestion is you first plan something good. So I'll tell you what will be the layout of planning some projects. That one idea. Then what you want to display in Spark page. So if you want to have photos, text, video, glide show, what do you want to have? YouTube links. So first decide the content. Then collect the resources. Then design it. Design the resources. Number 4, assemble. Number 5, publish. Publish and share. Clear? So all these things can be done in collaboration. So this is our key to create some good work, right? So coming back to Spark again, so you can create, these are the templates which can be created by the students, and you can create anything. All creativity is all yours. We are not binding you for a topic. You can create anything, but I suggest you that when you create a web page, it is combination of all. Here you can include everything you have. So these are some posts I have created. You can create on health workers. Like this post was created for gratitude for health workers. So some of the posts are there. So this is up to you how you can show your work. So you can create your post, create your logo. So these all with you, and you can create wonderful things. So this is all about the people who love creativity. So this was the combination I told you. Let's recapitulate what you can create. You can create your project with combination of all, and you can have opportunity to get featured on Adobe Spark site also. So these all themes, all popular themes are there. You can create your Insta post, you can create your Twitter post, graphics, anything you can create. You can create your teaser video also. So just love your passion, go with your passion and start with your work. So you can start. You can take any template and work. Students, if you have liked the video and find it very useful, subscribe to my channel, press like and share button, and also press the bell icon to never miss the useful updates. All the best.